California Wildfires Emergency Survival Kits. You should have. California wildfires are no joke. Each year, they devastate homes, communities, and lives. Being prepared is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Today, we're going to look at essential items you must have in your emergency survival kit. Whether you're at home, on the road, or in an evacuation zone, these items could save your life. This fire-resistant emergency shelter, when you're evacuating, finding safe shelter is critical. This fire-resistant emergency shelter is lightweight, portable, and designed to withstand extreme heat. It can keep you safe from both the elements and nearby wildfires when you're on the move. Emergency fire blanket. Fires can spread rapidly, and having the right tools to stop them is essential. This emergency fire blanket is designed to smother flames instantly. It's compact and easy to use, making it a must-have for wildfire situations. Fire extinguisher ball. This is a fire extinguisher ball, a revolutionary way to combat fires. Simply throw it into the flames and it releases fire-retardant chemicals automatically. It's easy to use and incredibly effective, even for first-time users. Fire-resistant glove. Protecting your hands during wildfires is crucial. These fire-resistant gloves are designed to handle extreme heat and allow you to work safely around hot surfaces or debris. A simple yet powerful addition to your survival kit. Emergency water packet. Next up is water. In any emergency, clean water is your lifeline. These emergency water packets are compact, long-lasting, and easy to store. Keep several in your kit to stay hydrated during those crucial moments. Portable water filter. If you run out of bottled water, this portable water filter is your next best option. It lets you safely drink from rivers, lakes, or any natural water source. It's lightweight and fits easily into any survival kit. Emergency sleeping bag. In Kinanaway Niner. Shorimam Shariam. Staying warm during an emergency is vital. This emergency sleeping bag is compact, lightweight, and designed to retain body heat. Perfect for those chilly nights outdoors or in an evacuation zone. Emergency poncho. When you're exposed to rain or harsh weather during an evacuation, this emergency poncho will keep you dry and comfortable. It's lightweight, waterproof, and easy to pack into your kit. First aid kit. No emergency kit is complete without a first aid kit. This one has all the essentials: bandages, antiseptics, scissors, and more. It's organized, portable, and can handle any minor injuries during an emergency. Flashlight. In an emergency, the power is often the first thing to go. A rechargeable flashlight like this ensures you're never left in the dark. It's bright, durable, and easy to recharge for ongoing use. These products could make all the difference in a wildfire emergency. Remember, preparation is key to staying safe and protecting your loved ones. Make sure to check them out and build your own survival kit today. Don't wait until it's too late. Stay safe, stay prepared. Subscribe for more survival tips and product reviews.